Oh, it's been a rough couple months, hasn't it? Now let's not have more problems than necessary with our significant other. That's why we're going to bring in the one and only Andrew Reinhardt with Wasatch Medical Clinic. Hey, Andrew, how are you?
How you doing, Jenny?
Good. So here's what we want to talk. We're obviously talking about the physical part of the relationship today, because if people are struggling in that area, you can help fix it.
Yes, we can. When it comes to erectile dysfunction, if we think back to the early 90s, guys have taken the pill, and that's been about it. Maybe the injections, maybe surgery, but it's been masking the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Now, Wasatch Medical is doing things a little bit differently. This is long overdue, in my opinion. We're opening up and regrowing blood vessels with acoustic wave therapy. And there you kind of see on your screen on the left, dying, aging, blocked blood vessels. That's how a man ages. And then on the right, we're opening up those blood vessels. That's called neovascularization, by the way. So the blood flow goes where you want it, when you want it, and we get that natural function back in the bedroom. No pills and no side effects.
Now, here I think is the big question. What about those clinical studies? Like, does it work? Let's talk about that.
The number one question we get is, does this really work? And I would say, go to the science page at wasatchmedicalclinic.com. Read some of those journals. Everybody from the American Urological Association to Therapeutic Advances in Urology, they have tested this technology extensively. The most recent one, 600 men with erectile dysfunction, different levels, went through the process with these treatments, very high success rate, and they said, quote, safe, effective, even revolutionary.
And so it's safe. Does it hurt at all?
Good question. I would say not painful, maybe a little bit of a flicking sensation. Keep in mind, a treatment is 10 minutes. That's it. There's no recovery time, no side effects.
I love it. Now, we're looking at that picture again, obviously, which you explained, which we appreciate. Tell us about your patients. What do they say about this experience?
Well, we love to get patient feedback, and we get patient feedback every day, it seems like. A 77-year-old guy comes to mind. He had ED for 10 years, so he was very frustrated. The pills, the side effects, even the injections. He was 1 week into our treatments. 1 week, only a couple of treatments, and already seeing what he said was significant results. He said, it's my significant other, my wife, that's the happiest about this. So I thought that was really cool.
I love it. Well, everybody's going through a hard time financially, I think, but you're going to help them out.
We are going to help them out. When it comes to erectile dysfunction, a lot of guys do nothing. They let the problem get worse, and we know it's a tough time. Call us now if you're struggling with ED or your significant other is struggling. We will do the initial assessment, exam, even the blood flow ultrasound with our doctor, totally free. This is about $300, by the way, plus a little special gift. Produces instant results in the bedroom. To qualify, you got to call us now.
All right. Well, Andrew, thank you so much. We've got the number and your website right there on the screen.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. We'll be back after this.